everyone, Rachel from Ginger Divine here. Today let's learn how to do a quick dice on celery. My celery is a little old, but it'll still chop the same way. So the way I like to do this is first chop off the end that I'm not going to use. And then we want to get this into more manageable pieces. So if you're just starting, you might want to do like 3 pieces for a piece like this. If you've done it a few times, you can probably just do 2. But from here, we are just going to slice into however many sections you want. So with this one, I'll do 3. So 1 on the side there, and then 2, 3. You can see we have 3 planks that are roughly the same size. Now I forgot to chop off this end too, so I'm gonna do that as well. So now I have 3 planks. You can see they're pretty even, and I'm just gonna turn them the other way and dice into little cubes. This is perfect for making a mirepoix, especially if you're not a big celery fan like me and you don't want giant chunks. I'm a mom and you might have heard my baby on the baby monitor right there, so I need to go check on her. Now, of course, you can always just slice your celery like this, which works too, but the pieces do end up a little bit bigger, especially if it's an even bigger celery piece than this. What you don't want to do is cut it this way and then try to like dice it from here individually. That just takes too long, even though it does work. So I recommend doing the plank style like I showed you. If you want bigger chunks, you can just do 2 pieces. And again, cut from here. Make sure you use your knuckles to guide your knife. So that's a bigger dice for celery. But very simple, one of the easiest vegetables, easier than carrots definitely. So yeah, perfect for mirepoix. Just add carrots and onions and you have the base of a nice soup. I love this size right here. You can always do smaller as well if you're making like a potato salad. You don't want even this size chunks. Hopefully this video is helpful. I'm just a mom sharing tips for other moms. So subscribe if that's something you enjoy. Thanks for watching.